you sell products or services, you know one thing. Advertising is expensive.
TV, radio, billboards, pay-per-click, and even postcards cost big bucks.
The results?
Mediocre results at best, which means you spend a lot of money for very few new customers.
But what if there was a way to reach hundreds, even thousands of new customers daily?
For less than the cost of a coffee per day, now you can with our Royaltie Gems.
Every time you go out
to the mall, the grocery store, a concert, baseball game, stuck in traffic, you name it, you'll be reaching hundreds of potential customers.
Your Royaltie Gem sends a message over Bluetooth to every Android phone that comes within 100 yards of you.
That's 60% of North Americans.
And 88% of the planet.
Royaltie Gems are plug and play, sending your advertising message over a Bluetooth connection. No app required.
That's great news because 75% of Android phone users keep their Bluetooth on all the time. You program your gem with your marketing message.
Add your link to your website for your business, sales funnel, Facebook page, wherever.
And every Android phone within 100 yards will get your message.
From real estate agents driving clicks to a virtual tour to musicians pushing out their latest tracks to passerbyers, Royaltie Gems can quickly and easily get your message out there.
Imagine the possibilities.
A single trip to the mall could net you hundreds of new clients.
Listen, there's more to tell, including how to get your Royaltie Gems for free.
So click the link below to find out more and start advertising your product or service to thousands of people with our easy,
inexpensive,
amazing breakthrough technology
we call our Royaltie Gems.